Welcome back to my channel Data Tech. I am Mrityunjay Kumar Singh. Today I am going to discuss on Hive Joins. Our agenda is what is Hive Join, types of joins, subqueries and when to use, and then we will go for demo. What is join? Combining specific fields from two tables by using values common to each one, we use Hive Join clause. Types of join. There are four types of join: inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and then full outer join. First one, inner join. It returns all matched rows of the two tables. Hive left outer join. It returns all the rows from the left table even if there are no matches in the right table. This means if the on clause matches 0 records in the right table, the join still returns a row in the result, but with null value in each column from the right table. A left join returns all the values from the left table plus the matched value from the right table or null in case of no matching join predicate. Hive right outer join. It returns all the rows from the right table even if there are no matches in the left table. If the on clause matches 0 records in the left table, the join still returns a row in the result, but with null in each column from the left table. A right join returns all the values from the right table plus the matched values from the left table, or null in case of no matching join predicate. Full outer join. Full outer join combines the records of both the left and the right outer tables that fulfill the join condition. The join table contains either all the records from both the tables or fills in null values for missing matches on either side. Subquery and when to use. A query present within a query is known as a subquery. The main query will depend on the values returned by the subqueries. Also, it is of two types: when subquery is in from clause and subquery is in where clause. So two ways you can use it. When to use. First, when there is a dependency of one table values on other table. Second, when you are going to compare two column values from the tables. Let us start the demo. First, we will give the examples of joins, all types of joins. I'm inside the Hive prompt. For demo purpose, I have created a database. There is no table inside the database project DB. I have created a file from where I will create a customer table. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a customer table. Go to the Hive prompt, sort tables. Customer table is created. Select star from customer. Describe formatted customer. This is a managed table. Location is inside the project DB customer. We'll see that one also. Go to browser, go to utilities. This table which we created, a folder is inside the DB is created. Now there is no data because we have not loaded it. I have a file, customer data. We'll load this one first. It's loaded. Data is loaded, customer.csv. Now we'll create one more table, that is order table. We'll load the data. We're loading from a file. File name is order.csv. Executed. Data is loaded. Select star from order. Great. We are successfully able to load the data in order. Also, we'll see the customer table. Now, both the tables are ready. We'll go to browse the directory. Customer and then order have order.csv. Now come to our notepad and now we'll see one by one all the joins. First we'll talk about inner join. I have created a query and we are joining on the customer, which is the customer ID. So what are you going to do it? We are joining these two tables which we just created, customer and order. We are joining based on the ID. Which ID? Customer ID. Because customer ID is the common field of these two tables. Here it is, you see the tables. Here ID is nothing but this is customer ID, and in another table it is customer ID. So these two are the common field. That's why when joining we are using, what is the syntax? We have to use join customer, we'll give the aliases, then the join predicate, and then the another table. On, and then we have to give the ID, which are common, these two tables. Now run the query. Now we'll discuss about the inner join. For inner join, this is the query. What we are going to do it? We are joining the two tables, customer, joining order, on what basis, on what is the condition? On customer ID, which is common field. Execute it. We got the output. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows are there. Customer ID 2 have 1, customer ID 3 have 2 rows, and customer ID 4 have 1 row. So total 4 rows are there. Now we'll go to our notepad and we'll see what outputs came. See, I have already copied here to basically make you understand. See here, we are joining these two tables. Here, these two tables, what are the commons? 3, here, 3, 2, 4. 3, 2, 4. These two, 3 IDs are common. 3 have how many rows? Here in the order, 2 rows are there. So that's why 2 rows are coming. For customer ID 2, only 1 rows are there. So 1 row is coming. For 4, there one rows are coming. So these are coming. But if you see here in the customer, there are customer ID 1 that is not coming. Customer ID 5, 6, 7 not come because this is not in the order table. and as per the condition we will get only the common one. So common is 2, 3, 4. That's why you can see here 2, 3 had 2 rows, so both the rows are coming, and 4. This is the output. Now we'll go and execute for the left outer join. Left outer join, this is the how many rows are there? 8 rows are there. We'll go to our notepad. Here we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rows are there. What are the rows are there? First, what are the matched one was it? 2, 3, 3, 4. All the matched one is coming here because it is present in the both. Now, in the left side of the table, what is the left side of the table? Join condition. Left side table is here in this example. Customer is in the left side. So customer have other than 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. They have 1. This 1, 5, 6, 7. So all those rows are coming 1, 5, 6, 7. But 1, 5, 6, 7 in the here in the order table there is no rows. So what will happen? For corresponding to those column it will be null. So one is present in the left only. There is no corresponding value in the right table, so it is null. For the same thing for 5, 6, 7, there is no record in the right table, which is order table. It is fetching all the rows from the left table. Left table is customer. Values are there, but null values coming as corresponding. There is no records in the order table. Now we'll go and execute right outer join. Right outer join, what will give? It will give the matched one plus right side whatever the table rows are there. Yes, see how many rows are there? Output of this query, 4 rows are there. Now we'll go to the our notepad. Right outer join. Right outer join should give all the matched one and the remaining. But because there is no rows in the right table is order table, so it is coming only 4 rows, which is the matching in these two tables. Understood? Now we'll go to full outer join query. Full outer join query will give all the rows. Let me execute it. See the output. I pasted here. There are 8 rows are there. We have pasted in our notepad. So in this query, what you are doing? You are saying full outer join. Earlier it was right outer join, left outer join. Now we are talking about full outer join. So full outer join, what will give? All the common. So this is the common. Then what are the remaining? In the left table, customer table, 1, 5, 6, 7, all are coming here. What are the remaining remaining data in the right table, which is order? There is no data. So there is no rows here in the output. So here keyword is full outer. In the left, what was the keyword? Right outer. what is the keyword in the left outer, in the left join. And when you're talking about the inner join, only write only joined. So if there is nothing is writing, so it is inner join. So we have seen all the 4 types of join demo. This is all for today's session. If you like it, please press the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.